framework, basically, it's like a recipe of a soup, a plan, yeah? What do you need to say, and how do you say it, the order, the actions. Um, so again, we ask questions like, do you like cats? Not because we care if you like cats or not, yeah? I mean, you can say, I hate cats. That will be okay. That will be humorous, but okay. So we need you to understand the question, first thing, use the same grammar, what to say, you know what to say, yeah, and use the same functional language, how to say it, basically, what structure, yeah. Now, what does it mean for you as a student? It means that short answers, one word answers, yeah, like yes, no, absolutely, they are not counted. So basically, if you I ask you, do you like cats? You say yes. It's like you didn't say anything. Pretty much. Well, no, it means that you understand the question. So out of these 3 points, you only do the first part. You understand the question, and even then, I cannot be sure that you understand the question because some people, some of my students, I ask them, for instance, what's your name, and they say yes. Okay, so maybe you just said yes, hoping that this answer will fit you. Maybe you didn't even understand the question. You see, this is how it is. Okay, so what happens if you answer a short answer? Like yes, no, absolutely, yeah. You are asked another question, basically, yeah. We just ask you another, for instance, yes, do you like cats? You say yes. I ask you, okay, do you like dogs? You say no. I say, okay, do you like noodles? You say yes. Yeah, and I ask you, and I'm going to ask you until the time runs out. Yeah? So we'll ask and ask you different questions with the same structure. Yeah, but you are wasting your time. What is important? Yeah, you're losing your time. And if you lose your time, you lose your score, basically. Yeah, yeah. So we need a structure or a plan, basically, yes, so that you know that you score high. Yeah, and I introduced this very basic framework. I call it DRE. For direct answer, it's sort of mirror for the question. I will explain it later. Yeah. Next one, reasoning. Yeah, basically why. Yeah, for instance, I like cats because they are cute. Yeah, and example or evidence. Yeah, something that supports your answer. Basically, yeah, something in addition. And yeah, this guy is called Dr. Dre for younger students. Yeah, for younger students, I refer to him because they remember better. Okay, so now let's see. Number one, direct answer. It's what I call the mirror for the question because it uses the same grammar. Remember the same grammar point two, yeah, and functional language number three. Yeah, so it fills all the three basic needs. You understand the question, you know what to say, and you know how to say it. Basically, yeah. So these are examples of a direct answer. Yeah. Yes, I do like cats. Or yes, I like cats. No, I don't like cats. Yeah. Absolutely, I adore cats. Let's see now. See, direct answer. So do becomes yes. Yeah. You becomes I. Like cats, cats. See, this is direct answer. Mirror. See, like the mirror. Yeah. You look at the mirror, you see yourself, but just in different order. Yeah, in different side. Uh, the same here, yeah. Do becomes no don't. You becomes I like Cascas. No problem. A bit more creative answer, yeah. Do becomes absolutely. You again becomes I. Like adore is the synonym for like. More advanced vocabulary for like. Yeah. But again, the same. The structure is the same. Yeah. After giving the next number two point, yeah, the question why, basically. After giving the direct answer, you say why. Yes, you say why. Uh, yeah, yes, I like it because then so it will be something with because or for. Yeah, you can use for. Invisible. Yeah, I like that. I use the guidance in model. Something. What is it for? This is also okay. Not so many people know it, but for it can be fast because okay, this is just a, just a cute cat, so that you know, yeah, cats are cute. Yeah, and so what is fine. Yeah, yeah. Next, next idea, yeah. So see why do we need this plan? Yeah, because you have to speak for a certain time, supposedly. Yeah. So for task two, you have to speak for 2 minutes. Yeah. For task one and task three, there is no specific time. But the more you speak, usually it's the better. Unless you, I mean, the more for longer time you can speak, the better, because it means less questions. You will be asked less questions. Remember what I told you already last time, and I'm going to repeat it. So if you have a question where you can say a lot of things, yeah, good, clear, with good grammar, stuff like that, say everything you can because if you run over the time, they will stop. They'll say, okay, thanks. Yeah, but if you talk for a long time, uh, they will ask you less questions because the next question can be difficult for you. Yeah, you may not know what to say. Yeah, so by speaking more for one question, yeah, you might avoid a more difficult question in the future. Yeah, and also gives a better impression, gives a better impression overall because they also they evaluate your fluency. Yeah, and fluency includes how much you can say. Yeah. Okay, so this how reasoning helps you. Yeah, how to speak more with this question why basically. Yeah, you can give more reasons, not one but two, three, five, or you can elaborate. You can speak for a long time about one reason. Yeah, for instance, this one, many reasons. I like cats because they are cute, they are easier to pet than dogs. Yeah, and they do not make that much noise. Yeah, they don't say woof woof all the time. Yeah, yeah. So three reasons. They're cute, easy, uh, less noisy. Yeah, we have three reasons. Yeah, so you can see here the structure again. Yeah, reason one, reason two, reason three. Yeah, noise is the beat rate. Yeah, or you can another option, you can explain one reason. Yeah, for instance, I like cats because they are so cute that I cannot imagine hating them or even being indifferent. So this is reason number one. They are cute, yeah. But I say a lot about it, yeah. Do not try to understand everything, just you see the broad, yeah. So we make long sentence about one reason only, yeah. If we take a look, it's pretty much the same. Long two lines sentence and pretty much the same, 2 lines sentence. See? Okay, another cute cat for us. Yeah. And we go for number three. Yeah, we go for number three. But before, let's say, do you have questions about this? Do you understand so far what we're doing? Yes? Okay, so next one, number 3 point, yeah, example. Yeah, basic. Yeah, doesn't have to be something from your life. You can just imagine something. Imagine something. Yeah. For instance, this is my example. When I was a child, my parents fed three cats. Yeah? So I spent a lot of time playing with them, feeding, and just watching them play. Also got used to the cats purring in this way that they make. Yeah, yeah. It's the noise the cats make. You know? Yeah, 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 yeah. Nearby when I was falling asleep. Okay, so yes, again, yeah. So I train my students here to speak about like 30 to 45 seconds for one question, for one simple question, and maybe more for more complex questions. Yeah. Okay, so this is the total answer. Yeah, I ask you again. Do you like cats? Yeah, and you say yes. I love cats. I like cats because they're cute. They're also smaller than dogs. Do not require walking. They eat less and make less noise. Yes. So, uh, uh, five reasons we have. And an example from my childhood, a story from my childhood. See? So this is a good answer. Yeah. If we read it in a column voice, this makes 30 seconds. This answer, this takes exactly 30 seconds speaking. See, so this is a good example. So now we're gonna train to produce examples like this, basically. Yeah? Okay, that's it.